The motivation station. Today, I want to talk about one of the most valuable virtues we can cultivate in our lives: patience. In a world where everything seems to move quickly and offer instant results, patience can often be overlooked. But let's take a moment to reflect on the importance of this virtue in achieving success and happiness. Patience is the key to our goals. Sometimes, we desire immediate results and become frustrated when things don't go as planned. But let's be aware that every great achievement requires time, effort, and patience. Success doesn't come overnight. It is the result of sustained work and unwavering persistence. Through patience, we allow ourselves to build solidly, step by step, the confidence and expertise needed to reach our goals. Patience teaches us to accept and face challenges. In life, we often encounter obstacles and hurdles that test our resilience and desire to succeed. But patience enables us to remain calm and focused in the face of challenges, to adapt to new situations, and to find wise and effective solutions. Through patience, we learn to manage our emotions and concentrate on solutions, rather than being overwhelmed by frustration or doubt. Patience helps us enjoy the process of personal growth. Sometimes, we rush to achieve desired outcomes and tend to focus solely on the final destination. But true beauty and satisfaction lie in the journey toward that destination. Through patience, we allow ourselves to open our minds and hearts to continuous learning and growth. We learn to appreciate every step forward, every obstacle overcome, and every lesson learned. My dear ones, let us trust the process of life and cultivate patience in all its aspects. Let us remember that patience is the virtue that guides us in difficult moments and brings us closer to our dreams. Let us be patient with ourselves and encourage each other to keep developing and pursuing our passions. Remember that great things do not happen overnight but are the result of perseverance, dedication, and, above all, patience. Embrace the journey, embrace the challenges, and have faith that with patience, we will reach our desired destinations. Thank you for your attention. Thanks for watching.